shot down in New Guinea, and they never found the body because there were a lot of cannibals for real in that part of New Guinea. And then my son volunteered to.
Presiden Amerika Serikat Joe Biden menyebut tetangga Indonesia yakni Papua Nugini sebagai negara kanibal. Pernyataan itu sontak membuat murka Papua Nugini. Awalnya Joe Biden mengutip hubungan pribadinya dengan Perang Dunia II saat berkunjung ke Australia. Ia menceritakan kisah pamannya yang sebagai tentara tewas dalam kecelakaan pesawat pada Mei 1944. Joe Biden menyebut pesawat yang ditumpangi pamannya itu ditembak jatuh di Papua Nugini. Merespon itu, Perdana Menteri Papua Nugini James Marape tidak terima negaranya disebut sebagai negara kanibal. Marape marah dan mengatakan negaranya tidak pantas disebut kanibal. Marape kemudian menyindir pekerjaan rumah yang harus diselesaikan oleh Amerika Serikat di Pasifik terkait Perang Dunia II, di mana Papua Nugini masih menjadi tempat bangkai pesawat, bangkai kapal, dan terowongan, serta sisa bom yang belum dinonaktifkan.
Back when D-Day occurred, and on Sunday, the next day, my mother's 4 brothers all went down to the recruiting station and joined the military. Every one of them volunteered. And my uncle, they called him Ambrose Brosey, they called him Bozy. My uncle Bozy was a hell of an athlete, they tell me, when he was a kid. And he became an Army Air Corps before the Air Force came along. He flew those single-engine planes as reconnaissance over war zones. And he got shot down in New Guinea. And they never found the body because there were a lot of cannibals for real in that part of New Guinea. And then my son volunteered to go to Iraq for a year, and he came back with stage 4 glioblastoma. And they gave, like many of you, risked your lives, and you know people who gave their lives for the country. They're heroes. But one of the things that as I was doing that today, I was reminded of what my opponent said in Paris not too long ago. They asked him to go visit American grave sites. He said no, he wouldn't do it because they were all suckers and losers. I'm not making that up. The staff who was with him acknowledged it today. Suckers and losers. That man doesn't deserve it.
Download Tribun X sekarang. Menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.